So it's all about the hustle right now, you know. So pretty much I've been leaving the car lot to my best man, which is my man Jaeden, and it's upon him to kind of run his business and see what's going on, try to lower the expenses and find ways to bring in new revenue.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's gonna be the Chevy, or not Chevy, but that Chrysler out there.
Chrysler.
Chrysler 300, yeah. Yeah. Honestly, you talk about the bills. I think honestly it's just the labor. The labor never goes down. Typically it ranges from $200 now to $400, but it just depends on the type of job that you're doing. So like right now, small stuff like this is $200, and sometimes they'll charge us less than that. But this one they charge us $260 on.
Just walk my little son, got autistic around the block, let him ride the bike, get my day started and drop him off to school and chase the American dream. But trying to balance life and learn to enjoy the small moments that will be unforgettable, you know? He's very independent. He want to park his bike exactly where he park it, right in the corner of the house. All right, good job. Keep your shoes on. Keep your shoes on. Get your coat. Let's go.
One day at a time, man. 2 months now.
I'm proud of you, bro.
Yeah.
That's proud of y'all. That shit feel good?
Hell yeah, real good.
You ready to start working out then?
Oh,
A little bit?
I might jump in a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, let me jumping. What's up?
What's up? How you doing? This car, we're gonna take that, and we gotta get tires too on the front.
Okay. Go over what's been going on, right? All right.
Honestly.
So man, I'm just getting back from the vacation. You know what I'm saying? I think there's a lot of things been going on with second to none. With the firing of the mechanic and changing out some of the operations that we got going on down here. I think I'm a married man now. You know, I got a whole wife at home now. And what else new, Jaeden? What else?
Nothing much. We've been working on getting financing for the vehicles, restructuring the business. We got meetings for that scheduled. Yeah, it's been just pretty smooth sailing. We've been advertising more online and just getting our name out there.
That's cool. I brought my brother on.
Yeah, we got
board, you know what I'm saying? My brother's, you know what I'm saying, working with us now. He's just
tighten up around.
Keeping the shop tightened up, you know.
Yeah.
So that's a new look.
Detailing cars, stuff like that.
Yeah. What I've been doing on the side is
that property management.
Property management. So it's all about the hustle right now, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much I've been leaving the car lot to my best man, which is my man Jaeden, and it's upon him to kind of run his business and see what's going on, try to lower the expenses and find ways to bring in new revenue. I think you're working on what, advertising.
Yeah, we got constant Google ads running at all times and social media ads to kind of get our name out there.
You want to do this job real quick?
What kind of job?
Okay, I ran into somebody's car. Yeah, with my tow truck. I backed into it. Let me show you real quick. No. Right now, I think I'm gonna go with Brian.
Okay.
Only because he come to the shop and do it.
Yeah, you can kind of monitor the work.
All right. Take you for it. Get a real looking Boulevard. That's the color.
Yeah.
Okay. So he gonna take care of this car here. Let's roll up the windows and stuff like that.
I didn't hear what you said. I didn't hear what you said.
Get in. But you ever been back here?
Bars.
Okay, 3 bars it is. When I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall. Oh. 3 bars! I'm finna spit. But anyway, man, we gotta go down here and get this car. From
So we start off with the process. It's a 2013 Ford Taurus. Essentially, the radio don't work in the car. Bluetooth doesn't work in the car either. So everybody was thinking it was either an amp or the actual FM transmitter in the car, which allows you to have Bluetooth connection and the radio connection. But when they tried to find that FM transmitter, it's a million codes to match it up. And they finally found the one, but it was $600. So, and they were just trying to replace the whole thing.
the whole thing.
So versus replacing the whole thing, these people said, well, maybe it's just a control module that's inside of it. And so instead of doing that, they just replaced it, the
control
module.
module.
And that was only $250 versus the 600.
And they took the radio out and everything that they had to do in order to fix it. I got comfortable with the convenience of you guys running right down the Urban Auto, getting every single thing done. Like anything come in, it can be a tire, it can be a headlight, it can be wiring job, it can be body work, it can be mechanical work. And I send you guys straight down to Urban Autos because I got comfortable with that.
Yeah, and it was a process that we had in place, but ultimately processes change, things change, so you gotta just audit it, review what's wrong, and make the changes to make it necessary, make it work.
What up, Jaeden? I brought my whole crew up in here.
I see that. It's a family affair today.
Yeah, you ain't lying. So what was it? The model?
Yeah, so it's a radio, the CD portion of it. Nobody had them close and they were expensive, so I took it apart and I found a spot on the circuit board and I fixed it.
I know you did.
Yeah, so it's not a new radio, same radio, CD works, sound works, everything's good.
Right. How y'all say y'all name again?
What's that?
When y'all pick up the phone, how y'all say it?
Wide right.
Where's the car at?
All down the alley. in the back corner behind the white trucks.
Don't talk to him.
Smoking a cigarette. Oh, okay. You won't be able to concentrate.
Not just that. Hey, I got an invoice with you guys. Oh wow. Wow. This is John, 2504 Brooklyn View.
Oh, my neighbor.
Yeah. I'm trying to pay off that balance. Do you got an Apple Pay or Cash App or anything of that nature?
I'd rather have the cash. I don't do all that.
Okay.
Whatever's convenient. Hey, listen. I know we can't listen to each other. You're a busy guy, but little Phil, he said, I think I only met you one time. I said, well, that must be a my date Thursday, but
No, it's not. It's not. So this is Joey anyway. This is office guy Jaeden. Jaeden runs the office. So this is the guy I was telling you about that I'm going to potentially bring up here to help
I do more than just mechanical
with
work.
the mechanical work. Now he's been helping me with the housing, which I'm kind of scared to pull him off that, but
Yeah. I got a crew together for that roof too.
So I'm trying to see what is an immediate thing that I really need you to do outside of this mechanical work, but I'm trying to
You
do
don't got a
it.
bunch of cars lined up in Canada. I ain't know what I mean for me to be up there. I guess we got vehicles lined
What you
up.
mean you got lined up?
You got work lined up? Are you ready to go?
I definitely have work lined up and ready to go.
I always got work lined up.
Alright.
I will tell you what it's been doing. What it does, if you drive it, the longer you drive it, the more it starts to start off more frequently. Because it's shutting off frequently. Like right now,
The more you drive it, the
the
worse
more
it's
drive,
gonna get.
the more, yeah. And so
then it's gonna start causing you
the
problems.
guy was telling me just driving until it's base of the wheel, but you know how somebody tell you just take it for what it's worth. But my thing is that the car looks so
Nice, yeah. That's
nice
We'll get to work. Get it
that
running right.
in comparison with the cars that I'm kind of already replacing it with, I'm still not getting the luxury type look off the car.
Yeah.
You saw the car?
Yeah. I was just looking at it. I had a feeling.
Real dead, real dead.
Start getting bypass.
Based off what we got here, you know what I'm saying, and what we got at Urban's, you would compose up a list of things that come with the cars,
Yeah.
and this would be like the future, and that future could be maybe a week or 2 to 3 weeks out,
Yeah.
depending on what we got going in
Then
between.
get the list done, and then the day I can, I'll just come down for a day. I'll get what I done that day, and then when I
Now,
get
here's
down
the
again,
other-
I do more.
Here's the other thing that I need you to understand. I need you to go back into the tool area back there and see what's
I already
there.
know I need tools. I
You
already
see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That because when you talk about compression tests and stuff like this, I need.
Probably don't got any of that.
No, I do. But I need you to be able to sort out things to where you know that, hey, my compression tests are here, my what's-it-calls are here, and etc.
Like I said, I had 2 6-foot boxes that are 4 foot by 6 foot, and I had one had gauges, air tools, the other ones had all my sockets, wrenches.
So you want to go back like that? As a man of God, or what would God do? He still will give him something. Like I can give you something, but it ain't. If we still ain't gotta, speak us out of, because that's generosity. That's love. That's real love.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And some people don't have that type of love. They when they hate, they just hate all the way. Or when they don't get along with somebody, they're not getting along turns into a hate or a vendetta type thing. Like, okay, we're not getting along, but never in my heart did I hate you.
Right.
Or do I hate you?
Exactly, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you're going through a situation, and I have it in my willpower to help you. Here goes some help. But I'm still gone. You still ain't gotta speak to me, and I still ain't really have to speak to you. But I open up the door if you want to.